Avocado Seed Tea, a sacred natural remedy that few know. Avocado Seed Tea, a sacred natural remedy that few know. Avocados are a superfood that many people like to eat. However, most of us throw away their seeds without realizing that they are edible and offers many health benefits. In fact, the seed contains much more antioxidants, fibers, and phenolic content than the avocado pulp itself. The benefits of avocado seed for health and beauty are so numerous that you would have to think twice before throwing it out again. Number 1. Strengthens immunity. The avocado seed contains strong antioxidant properties. In fact, the seeds contain more than 70% of antioxidants than that is found in the fruit. And the antioxidant keeps free radicals at bay, which in turn, once it stimulates the immune system and protects it from bacterial, viral, fungal infections. Powdered avocado seeds are included in your smoothies or juices on a regular basis, then you will strengthen your immune system. Number 2. Reduces high cholesterol. Avocado pulp is known to be a good source of monosaturated fats that can help reduce high levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, or bad cholesterol, and increase levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, or cholesterol. Well, the seeds have a cholesterol-lowering properties. It contains a nutritious oil rich in antioxidants, which have the ability to reduce high cholesterol levels. Number 3. Fight against cancer. Avocado seeds have cancer-fighting properties. They contain flavonoids, which include compounds such as flavonoids, compounds such as quercetin, camphorol, myriazetine that work as powerful antioxidants to help prevent and reduce the growth of tumors. Number 4. Helps in weight loss. Avocado seeds are rich in antioxidants that help burn fat in order to lose weight, and its soluble fiber reduces appetite and provides feelings of satiety for several hours. Number 5. Reduces inflammation. Antioxidants such as catechins and procandins in avocado seeds help reduce pain, swelling, and stiffness due to inflammation. In addition to having good antioxidant properties, the seeds are also rich in anti-inflammatory properties. Number 6. Reduces high blood pressure. People who suffer from high blood pressure or hypertension should never throw the avocado seed in the trash, since these seeds are very rich in potassium, which is a good dilator, and this nutrient helps to relax the tension of the blood vessels and arteries, thus lowering high blood pressure. Number 7. Facilitates the stomach and intestine. The antioxidants and fibers found in avocado seeds are excellent for your digestive system. In fact, the seeds contain more soluble fibers than the pulp of the fruit itself. Number 8. Slows down the aging process. Seeds can even slow down the aging process. Powerful antioxidants fight free radicals that cause enormous damage on healthy skin cells. Number 9. Exfoliates the skin. The avocado seed powder also works as a natural exfoliator of the skin, helps to remove dead skin cells, excess sebum, and other impurities from the skin. Number 10 is an astringent, therefore is ideal for treating diarrhea and inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. It's also an aphrodisiac, and which in synthesis increases libido. It is also revitalizing for fatigue and exhaustion. Now let's learn how to consume the avocado seed. The avocado seed has a bitter and astringent taste due to its medicinal properties. To consume it, remove the peel that covers it, scratch the seed and roast it over low heat. You will see that it will take a reddish color, so we can prepare an infusion by boiling a tablespoon of the avocado seed powder in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes, and then let it rest for another 5 minutes. Before drinking, you must have a glass of this tea throughout the day. Now tell us, what do you think of this information? Leave us your answer in the comments section so we can read it all. Don't forget to share this information with everyone who might need it. We wait for you in our next video.